In this video, I will show you how you can fix the moisture detected problem on any Samsung tablet. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just unplug your tablet from charge. And after that, just power off your tablet. Now just open the control center, and from here just tap on the power icon. Now just select power off. Now after you power off your tablet, then just gently shake your tablet with the charging port side downward, just like that. Now after you gently shake your tablet, then just clean the charging port area with the soft cloth. Now after you clean the charging port area, then just leave your tablet in a well-ventilated area for a couple of hours. Now after 4 to 5 hours, then just power on your tablet. Once your tablet is powered on, then just plug in your tablet into charge using a different charging cable. And also make sure you use Samsung's original charging cable and adapter with your tablet. Now just plug in your tablet using a different charger, and hopefully your issue will be fixed. Now for example, if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From here, just tap on the three lines on the screen and enable Show System Apps. After that, just tap on OK. Now in the search bar, just search this. Tap on USB Settings, then tap on Storage. From here, just select Clear Caching. And after that, just plug in your tablet into charge and check if your issue is fixed or not. But if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the moisture detected issue on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.